So let's get into this really quickly and show you how to use these actions. So first of all, you're going to need to load them. This is very simple. I already have the dodge and burn one loaded. Now what you'll do is click up here and it says load actions. Then obviously locate the action folder that you've downloaded and unzip it. Once you've done that, just click on the one you want to load and you will see you will have two sets, and in those sets there'll be an action. So you have the dodge and burn and you have the skin texture. So slightly different, but they can sort of sometimes give the same sort of effects. But in terms of using both of these, my advice would be to do all of your tidying up. So for instance, if we were going to use the heel brush, do all of this stuff first. Okay, so tidy up all these little bits here. Just get all those sort of bits and bobs tidied up before we start to use these other two actions. Once we've got those done and we're happy, we can use the dodge and burn. So I would use the dodge and burn first. We just click on here and you can see this action falls into place. Burn will make it darker, as you can see there, and the dodge will make it lighter, as you can see there. Now this is an art, so you'll basically have to sort of identify areas that you want to lighten, and then you'll have to work stage by stage to sort of do them. Now when you feel that you've done enough on a certain layer, my recommendation would be to go to here, double click the image and flatten. That will now make it as one image. Once you've dodge and burn, and obviously you're going to spend a little bit more time on it than that to do that, my next advice would be to use the skin texture. So click on it, push play, and that action will come into effect. Now you can see here that's come into effect. It's also selected our brush tool and we are ready to start improving the skin texture. So again, we can attack these areas here, and what we'll start to do is just improve the texture of the skin. So we still keep some of the detail, but what we're doing is we're just giving it a bit of a gloss, a bit of a Hollywood gloss, which is great for basically sort of freshening people up if they are tired. Now you can see there that that area is too sharp, and if you have a look, when it's too sharp, it will come up and start to highlight red. So we just get rid of that, we don't want there, and we know that area there needs some more dodging and burning. But if I zoom out, you can see the impact this is having on the texture of the skin. So just smooths it out, gives it, looks like it's had a layer of foundation, sort of a layer of Hollywood gone over the top of it just to tidy up. And those two actions alone are what I use to basically tweak photos that I have of people that may be looking slightly tired. Now there are some other things you can do. Once you zoom in, you can obviously use content toolware and things like that, but these are the actions that are my go-to, and they're £1 to buy basically. £1 gets you both of those and you will use them countless times in the future. So yeah, download them, give them a go, and obviously share your images with me because I'll be really keen to see what they look like. Until next time guys, see you later.